In this video, I'll show you how to download Among Us on a computer or laptop. Among Us is a popular multiplayer game where players find imposters on a spaceship. Let's get started. First, you're going to open any web browser of your choice and search LD Player. LD Player is an Android emulator that allows you to run mobile apps and games on your computer, and we will use it to install Among Us. And here you're gonna need to install LD Player by just clicking here. Then open the Downloads folder. And here click Install. And here click Install. Once LD Player is installed, open the app and go to System Apps. Open Play Store. After searching, click Install. And this is how you can download Among Us on a computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.